Welcome to Sing for Gold 2022. An event that takes place in Spain and allows us to come together again to celebrate 10 years of choral music. Connect with singers from all over the world, as the best choirs get the chance to win the World Choral Cup, the Golden World Cup of Choirs, which will be awarded for the first time ever. Get ready for Catalonia's most vibrant cities, Calella and Barcelona. They sure know how to make their events special and host a great show. Sandy beaches, blue skies, and delicious culinary treats are waiting for you. Fill the streets with the tunes of your favorite songs. Perform in beautiful churches and make new friends for life.
This is global friendship. The whole world is in Calella. That's what we feel. It's wonderful to be here. We all are one.
This premier event will unite voices and cultures for many more years to come. Let's all make unforgettable memories, and most importantly, finally sing together again.
Do we feel when we perform simply happiness?
Join now and win the first World Choral Cup.